bossing my. I'm sorry I seem like a shady dude. When times are hard for your family, paying your lady dues. You come so far, having a happy family is daily news. Man, I miss you playing with me, chasing me around in your baby shoes.
It's me, Bossy. Welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a little different type of video. So a lot of you guys know that I mainly eat keto as far as Omad, one meal a day. So I'm going to be showing you what meal I'm going to be having for today along with a snack. And this is, I haven't eaten all day. I've just been having water and electrolytes. I also had an energy drink. So yeah, it's the what is it called? Let me show y'all my energy drinks real quick before I get into it, just in case I forgot. I had the raspberry, I think. Matter of fact, I think I bought another one. Or did I? No, it's the Rain energy drinks, but I had raspberry earlier. So here's everything. I almost started cooking, but then I stopped. So I'm gonna have some Sharwma chicken thighs, and then I'm gonna be making some keto quiche cornbread. So I need 1 cup of almond flour. So 2 tablespoons by itself is 80 calories. So this is way more than 2 tablespoons. So, you know, I'm gonna put everything in my card manager and let y'all see before I eat how much everything came out to be. And also you need sour cream, 2 eggs, butter, vanilla, baking powder, monk fruit sweetener, and if you don't have sour cream, you can use the unsweetened vanilla almond milk as well. These are her Jiffy keto cornbread recipe, and she also has another way to make it. You can go check out her Instagram page to see. So I'm about to actually mix up everything as far as my cornbread batter. This makes about 7 to 9 cornbread muffins, or you can make a little pan. So yeah, let me go ahead and get into this, and I'm gonna show y'all my entire meal. I'm also gonna have either some creamed spinach or some broccoli and cheese. I haven't decided yet, but y'all will see the entire meal. Okay, y'all, so time for cornbread. So I have my 1 cup of almond flour. Any almond flour is okay. Look for one that doesn't have as many carbs in it though. Now I'm gonna add my 2 eggs, my 1/4 cup of sour cream, or you can use unsweetened almond milk. I accidentally added 3 teaspoons of my monk fruit sweetener. You need 3 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons, I should say, for it to have more sweetness. Then my 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And then we're going to go ahead and just add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then it's time to just whisk it all up. Now, you do combine and whisk it all up, but just make sure you don't over whisk too crazy. But you can make this, as far as this mixture right here, see how it looks? You can make muffins like I mentioned, or you can just do a pan or a little small pan. So that's what I did. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my avocado oil in my pan, and I'm just showing y'all the fat. Avocado oil has a lot of fat and high calorie just for some oil, and this is for 1 tablespoon of some oil. So that's why I'm showing y'all. So now I'm just gonna place in my chicken Sharwma thighs. Again, I got these from Aldi. No, lies, boss. I got this from Trader Joe's. And don't overstuff, so I'm just gonna let those cook. And now we're gonna go ahead and just spray with some olive oil non-stick spray my little pan, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour in my mixture for the cornbread. You can also add cornbread flavoring if you want. I didn't, because you don't need it for her cornbread in my opinion. So you're just going to let this bake on 350 for 15 to 18 minutes until golden brown. And make sure you keep your eyes on it. So now here I'm just showing y'all chicken is still cooking. I also made some creamed spinach. I have the ingredients or the directions in the description box. I put a little too much heavy cream, but we ain't going to talk about that. So just make sure y'all don't do that. So here's the cornbread, and I'm just taking some butter to put on top. Y'all, this cornbread smelled amazing. It smells so good. So just cut it in whatever sizes you're gonna cut. You know, I don't know why I cutting it so slow. I was hungry, drooling, ready to eat. So yeah, and then after cutting it, I'm just gonna go ahead and plate up my food, and this is Omad, y'all. Hey, we about to eat, okay? Okay, y'all, so my dinner is done. Y'all saw what it looks like. Again, I have some keto quiche cornbread, cream spinach, and 2 shawarma chicken thighs. All the information will be down below in the description box. Also, y'all already know, check out the coldest water bottle. This keeps your water cold for days. 4 days. And also, if you at checkout, if you enter in the code SHIP, you will get free shipping. So yeah, get y'all one of these. It keeps everything cold, or if you put hot stuff in here, it keeps everything hot. So just a heads up, just so y'all can know. Yeah, so I'm about to taste this cream spinach. Good and creamy and cheesy and spicy. I like this a lot. Okay, let me taste something else. Keto quiche cornbread I've had before, but we just gonna taste it. It's so nice and fluffy. And sweet. I'm gonna leave the recipe down below. Now we're gonna taste this chicken. See what all the hype is about. Ooh. Okay. Nice and tender. Shawarma chicken thighs. This is super good and tender. The flavor of it is amazing. I don't know why I took so long to make these, because I've been having these chicken thighs for at least maybe almost a month in the freezer, but it is so good. So check the description box. It will have the total amount of these of the meal of calories. Also, I'm gonna come back and show y'all my snack, but I want to finish eating. And yeah, just everything's in the description box. But this is Omad for me today. I might even get, it depends on how full I get, I might even get a little more cream spinach and maybe one more piece of keto quiche cornbread. I don't know, but yeah, it's good. Okay, y'all, so to end this off, I'm gonna have the rest of my Lily sweet almond milk chocolate style. You can get it from Trader Joe's, you can get it from Sprouts, you can get it from like health food stores. Walmart, does it have these? I don't know, but I have this much left. And I've been eating on this bar for maybe about 3 days or so. Not straight, but I'm gonna just finish this off. And this will be it for me. I'm done. I hope y'all enjoyed seeing what I eat for Omad. Again, check the description box for all the information that you are wanting. And yeah, that'll be it. And I guess I'll see you guys in my next one.